It's been a long wait, but I'm sure it's going to be worth it because I have some two fabulous actors with me. It is an important film, and I think trailer देखने के बाद I don't have to say it, you all got amazing reviews for it unanimously. But I'm sure there must have been a few comments that stood out for you guys. कौन से थे वो?
ट्रेलर का रिस्पांस बहुत अच्छा है. वी वर ऑल्सो वेरी हैप्पी विद द यूनानिमस रिस्पांस टू द ट्रेलर. सब पूरी टीम इकट्ठे लगी हुई थी कि यार कैसा चल रहा है, क्या रिस्पांस आ रहा है ये वो. सो फ्रॉम द इंडस्ट्री, फ्रॉम द पीपल इन द मीडिया, फ्रॉम पीपल इन जनरल, द ऑडियंस, सबसे बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस आया है. वी हिट अराउंड 20 मिलियन हिट्स ऑन यूट्यूब. एंड कुछ पर्सनल मैसेजेस भी थे फ्रॉम मिलिट्री फैमिलीज, डॉटर्स, सन्स, फादर्स. तो वो भी बहुत स्पेशल लग रहा था.
No, I absolutely agree, Vicky. The kind of messages which are pouring in, आपके colleagues से जो मिल रहे हैं, बाकी journalists से या airport पे जो लोगों से मिल रहे हैं, the people in my building जिनसे मेरी बात भी नहीं हुई कभी hardly, but they're saying we are from army background and we were really looking forward कि आप कैसा आपकी फिल्म होगी, ट्रेलर कैसा होगा, and it looks really really promising.
और जब आप इस तरह की फिल्म करते हो, I think अंदर आप थोड़ा इमोशनल भी फील कर रहे होते हो. Because I think, like we all said, जब भी अटैक हुआ है, we felt it personal, चाहे वो किसी और के साथ हुआ है, क्योंकि आपके देश को अटैक किया गया है. How difficult it is to keep yourself devoid of those emotions and just be in that character. I think because आपके personal emotions भी involved होते हैं उसमें. Is it difficult?
No, for this, for Major Vihan Shankar, in fact, it helped.
It helped?
जी,
Sort of be in that
helped.
zone?
Yeah, that you know, to take it in a personal way. That कि मेरे भाई शहीद हुए, you know, and as Vicky Kaushal also मेरे भाई शहीद हुए, you know, so वो in fact वो help किया. And in fact, just to give you a small anecdote in the film, जो soldiers select किए गए थे for the surgical strike, usually for a surgical strike only special forces are selected. उनके ही पैरा कमांडोज आर सिलेक्टेड. बट इसमें आउटसाइड द स्पेशल फोर्सेस फ्रॉम द डोगरा रेजिमेंट एंड बिहार रेजिमेंट जो उरी में थे, जिनके जो शहीद हुए हैं कमांडोज, उनके रेजिमेंट्स के नॉन एसएफ सोल्जर्स वर ऑल्सो टेकन अबॉर्ड. They were trained for the surgical strike because there is this emotional backing where they want to avenge their brothers' martyrdom, you know.
I mean, I was really, really happy that, you know, when we've seen women being a part of films like this, covert operations, or I think the part that they play is small, might be important. Here, for a change, I thought that you were a very integral part of it. तो मुझे वो अच्छा लगा कि you were not just one scene of taking out a gun and flashing.
Absolutely, I saw this as an amazing opportunity. There are very few films जहाँ पर आपको जहाँ पे कहानी भी वैसी हो, आपको आपकी डायरेक्टर भी वैसे हो, टीम भी वैसी हो, और आपका रोल भी absolutely in sync with your the kind of sensibilities, the kind of films that you want to do. The attempt has been the same right from my first film. पर ऐसा ज़रूरी भी नहीं है आपको हर वक्त ऐसी opportunity मिले. Sometimes your opportunities can be restricted, और आपकी समझ पे जो आपको उस वक्त लगता है कि is the best opportunity for you, best option for you, you do it. Others might question कि अरे ये इसने क्यों किया, इसकी पहली फिल्म तो उसने ये की थी, या पिछली वाली तो ऐसी थी, this one. But you don't know what goes actually inside exactly. So you have to really be patient. आपको consistent रहना है, आपको consistently believe करना है that I believe I want to do these kind of films. It may take a little while to get a certain role, which exploits me as an actor, which helps me explore further myself as an actor, but it'll happen eventually.
To end it, of course, I think both of you have had your own journeys. We've discussed that. But you know, as actors, what have you thought of both each other's previous work, and which have been the best work you thought of the other person?
That's
why?
how we met for the first time.
Really?
I mean, it was all thanks to us living in the same society and working out in the same gym. But
But you don't like usually talk to, you don't recognize the female too much on such a. नहीं मतलब ज़्यादा you know ladies को attention नहीं देते हैं, तो you must have not noticed her.
नहीं देता हूँ attention, ऐसे कोई बात नहीं.
अच्छा, I thought you're playing your.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है.
चलो, I'm glad.
इज्जत से बकायदा attention देता हूँ. और नहीं, मैं इनको देखता था वर्कआउट करते हुए, and मैं सचमुच विकी डोनर का बहुत बड़ा फैन था उस फिल्म का, and I really loved her work in the film. And that's what I told her. I went up to her and told her that I really, really admired her work. और तब मुझे मतलब मेरी पहली फिल्म आई भी नहीं थी.
So you had actually told me for Badlapur. You complimented for Badlapur. तो और जिम में जैसा आप बोल रहे हैं एक this is boy who used to come every day जो मैं देखती थी with a backpack अकेले और पूरा sincerely would work out without talking to anyone.
So he was like a regular workout guy.
Yeah, मतलब अगर
हाँ,
मैं
वो
रेगुलर हाँ
Actually,
जब भी
yeah.
मैंने देखा
Okay.
so that's Vicky Kaushal for you. Very very sincere, just putting his head down and just working out and leaving. और उन दिनों में एक बार सिर्फ he walked up and he said, "Hi Yami, I'm Vicky." He didn't tell me he's Shyamji's son.
जी.
That I'm Yami, and I just want to ऐसी serious expression के साथ I just want to say that I really liked your work in Badlapur. इतना ही serious बन गया. Thank you. मैं भी वैसी.
Yeah, because obviously someone's coming
Thank
to you
so
like
much.
that, then.
Cut to, I
हाँ.
get a message from him,
हाँ.
and I that SSA मेरी first film
जी.
है. Masana, I would really like you to join me for this for the screening.
Yeah.
I saw the film and I was like, what? Is this the boy who is there who works out?
Thank you guys. I think
Thank
it's a.
you.
Thank
I
you.
think the trailer is extremely intriguing, and I'm looking forward to it. Thank you.
Thank you
so
so
much.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you.